right, so as these amazingly talented panelists are taking their seats, allow me to let you all know what this final fireside conversation is about. It is round 3. And round 3 is the plug round, support to scale. So we have 3 leaders here who are building tables for Black entrepreneurs right here in the Phoenix area. So we have Tremaine from Phoenix Soul. We have Carmen from Re-Rise at Local First Arizona, and we have Khandle from the Edson Entrepreneurship and Innovation Institute at Arizona State University. And I'm gonna put a little bass in my voice, okay? And so I wanna say this, if you are an entrepreneur, or if you are not, right, but especially if you are, you need to tune into this session in particular, because this is about resources available to you. Now, earlier folks were saying we need money, we need resources. These are some of the individuals who can give you access to that. So let's talk about what exists, what you need to know, and how to access it. So the first question that I'm going to come to you all with, what resources exist for entrepreneurs here in Phoenix that most people don't know about, and how can founders access them?
I'm going to tell you about one of the resources that I get asked about all the time is, how do I get money for my business, right? A lot of people ask, how do I get money? How do I get funding? Khandle, do you know any grants? And at the ASU Entrepreneurship and Innovation Institute, we have grants that we give out all the time. To business owners right here in Arizona, we give about almost $1 million per year.
What?
Almost $1 million per year is what we're literally giving away. This is non-dilutive funding. This is money just for you to take and run with it and grow your business, start your business, do whatever you want. So that's one of the resources we have at ASU in the Entrepreneurship and Innovation Institute, which is separate from the college, from the university, where you're getting your credit classes. All of the things we do are non-credit. So that means they're open to anyone in the community. If you are breathing, you are welcome to our classes.
Wow.
We are not discriminating about your age, about where you come from, about literally anything. If you can breathe and you want to start a business, you're welcome. Or you can breathe and you don't want to start a business, you just want to come get some free food, hang out with some cool people, you're welcome. So that's what we got at ASU.
Thank you.
So I'm here to talk about the We-Rise program. So what is We-Rise? Has anyone here ever heard of the We-Rise program? Woo! Okay. All right. So what is the We-Rise program? We-Rise is a 6-month business education program designed to support Black-owned businesses. How many business owners do we have in here again? One more time. How long have you been in business?
6 years.
6 years? You've been in business for 6 years? Okay. Anybody else? How long have you been in business?
3 years.
3 years. Okay. All right. So we got some people in the room that got some skin in the game. All right. So what is the We-Rise program? We-Rise is a 6-month business education program designed to support Black-owned businesses. We've been around for, let's say, going on 6 years now. And we've graduated over 160 Black-owned businesses here in the town. So, what does this mean for you? If you are a Black-owned business in the space, for 6 months, you are in a cohort with other Black-owned businesses, and you are learning the basics of how to run a business. So we're teaching you things like understanding your business model, understanding the numbers behind your business, how to put together a pitch deck, and then you walk away with a business plan, and you graduate from the Re-Rise program with a certificate hand-signed by the Secretary of State, Adrian Fontes. All right. So we are currently recruiting right now for We-Rise. So applications are up, and I have some flyers in the back. If you're a Black-owned business and you want to get the education to grow your business, then We-Rise is the place for you. And did I also mention that it's for free? You pay nothing. Access to mentors, and we also give you some seed funding. Because you know what? We're tired of going to these programs and learning things, and we're not getting money. We don't do that over at We Rise. So, what are we gonna do? We're gonna apply to the We Rise program. What are we gonna do? That's right. Get the flyer outside, and I'll be here if you want to talk to me.
Thank you, Carmen. You can pass it to Tremaine.
Yes, so you want to ask the question or you just want me to just go for it?
Go. You can go for it.
Okay. All right, so I'm Tremaine Jasper. I'm the owner of phxsoul.com or phoenixsoul.com. If you're looking for something from my business, I call it exposure. So if you're hosting an event, if you got a Black-owned business, you got a program that's supporting the Black community, you come to my website and you can find advertising packages or bartering packages. You can just reach out to me and we will work with you to get the word out to our audience. We have over 50,000 people following our various social media channels. We have over 20,000 visitors per month on the website. We're working on a redesign of the website. I've been kind of talking about that for about a year now, but we're getting close. But the Black community is well aware of my website. It's been running since 2006, and I'm a native. I'm very tapped in, very tuned in to what's going on here. So if you need consulting on how to reach the Black community, I'm your man.
You guys can keep that. PHX Soul, we love it. It is PHX Soul or Phoenix Soul. Either one. It's either PHX Soul or Phoenix Soul. Right. I think we know with Carmen Organization, the first way to get involved with your organization is to go back there and get a flyer.
That's right.
So for Tremaine and also Khandle, what are the first steps that someone should take if they want to get involved with your organization? How can they work with you guys? What's the first thing that they should do? Is it send you a DM, an email, an instant, what is it?
Okay, if you are interested in the literal $1 million that we give away to business owners every year, follow me. What you do one or two things. Well, first, follow me on LinkedIn. I post all the grants that we have on LinkedIn. You can also go to our website at ASU is entrepreneurship.asu.edu. So you can go there and see all of the grant opportunities that we have. You can see all of the workshops that we have, all the trainings for business owners. And just like Carmen was saying, all of our things are also free, $99. We don't charge for anything. Everything that you do is free. So either come see me directly or visit our website.
Perfect.
And for phxsoul.com, you can reach out to me through the Contact Us form on the website. You can visit all of my social media channels and send me a DM. You can also email me. My email address is info@phxsoul, and we could definitely talk about what you're looking for, whether it's exposure and advertising for your business or your event. If you're looking for opportunities to work for phxsoul.com, I have opportunities there, and they're paid opportunities. I don't expect anybody to work for free unless they beg to do it. Hey, I'll take the free assistance. But there's all kinds of opportunities to either use my website to get the word out about what you've got going on, or for you to contribute to what we've got going on. I'd love to use your talents.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Carmen, I'm going to come to you and Khandle for the next question. What is a common misconception about the support available to Black entrepreneurs?
Yeah, I think that's a really good question. Often with the line of work that I do, the folks are always, shocked that the We Rise program is at no cost. I've heard horror stories of Black-owned businesses paying thousands of dollars to be part of programs only to walk away with things that they feel like they didn't really learn. Another thing is that, it just doesn't exist. No, it exists, and we're doing our best to reach people from all over. So the We Rise program, we recruit across the state. So I've had Black-owned business all the way in Sierra Vista be part of the program. Nice. Tucson, I think the furthest we had a Black-owned business in Joseph City. Find us and reach out to us. So I'm traveling across the state, from Flagstaff to Tucson to Sierra Vista, to host recruitment sessions and to really get our people involved in a program like this at no cost.
Love that.
I think I'll give a round of applause. Okay. Round of applause for Carmen. Girl, get it. Okay, because I'm at Arizona State University, one of the biggest misconceptions is I'm not a student at Arizona State University, so whatever you're talking about does not apply to me. So I always ask, okay, who is not a student at ASU? Raise your hand. If you are not a student at ASU currently. And then if you are a student at ASU currently, raise your hand. All right, so everyone rose their hand. So it really doesn't matter if you are a student. It doesn't matter if you are not a student. Our programs that we have are for the community. So literally anybody and everybody. I have a student in my class and she's 7 years old. I have my mom in my class and she's 80 years old. Woo! So it really don't matter how old you are. It don't matter what you're doing or where you're from. You can come take our classes that will teach you how to start your business, how to grow your business. We will provide free mentorship. We provide free incubator programs for whatever your business is. And on top of that, like I've said plenty of times, we will also give you money. We will literally give you money. Last night, we gave away $10,000. This coming weekend, we're giving away $100,000. In 2 weeks, Jocelyn is coming to my class, wherever she is. We're giving away $5,000. So we are literally giving away money year round. She's like, give it to you. So that's one of the hugest misconceptions, that I'm not a student, that don't qualify for me. Yes, it does. It is for you.
I love these conversations because I think that you just hear the rhetoric in the community that things don't exist, resources don't exist, right? But if you come to events like this, you start to meet people, you get out of your comfort zone a little bit, and you learn about the opportunities that's here for you. Please do not let tonight go to waste. Leverage these opportunities. All right, I have one last question for you all, and we have about a minute and a half left. My timer is over here, keeping us on task. Thank you, Soon. What does unity and the rebuild mean to you and your business right now? And I'd love to hear from each one of you.
So for me, unity and the rebuild. I love seeing spaces like this, Jocelyn. This is beautiful. I love seeing our community come together. I love getting these resources out because we don't know. Unless we have events like this and spaces like this, then these resources, these people go unmet, go unheard of. So unity and the rebuild to me is just bringing the community together and building back up what should never have been lost.
Yeah.
I don't know how to go after that. Right? Okay.
Speak your truth.
Well said. Khandle said it all. Really, for me, it's all about supporting one another and showing up, right? These things are really important. In the We Rise program, this is something that we do every cohort. We really are like a tight-knit cohort. We've recruited folks, businesses into our programs who've gone on to be co-founders, who've gone on to do business together, who have become lifelong friends. I mean, we've been doing this program since 2020, and our alumni are doing amazing things together. So for me, it's all about putting differences aside and just coming together for Black excellence and showing what we can do together.
Love it.
All right, I came up with one thing. Talked so beautifully about this event. But what I would like to see is more organizations and businesses collaborating. That's the unity that I'm looking for. I think there's a lot of events that are held, especially on the weekends, by various organizations, but they're all working to support the same cause or the same program. And I feel like there's a lot of those organizations need to talk, and they can work together, pull in different audiences that they have, and make more of their events one big, cohesive, successful event per weekend instead of people trying to go to 6 or 7 that support the same cause. So that's what I think about when it comes to unity.
I love this. Please give him a round of applause. Tremaine, Carmen, and Khandle. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you are leveraging these resources and connecting. Thank you so much.